Today we're going to show you how to change the door handle on your refrigerator. Really easy job. All you're going to need is a Phillips screwdriver. Let me show you how it's done. And to change the handle on this refrigerator, the same handle fits both the freezer door and the refrigerator door. And it's held in place the exact same way. 2 screws to the top tab and a slotted keyhole connector on the bottom. We'll show you how to do the refrigerator door one, and the same procedure is applicable to the freezer. Remove those with a Phillips screwdriver. Lift the upper portion of that handle out, twist it sideways, and then slide it off of the screw that's in the bottom. And clean up this area if there's any dirt there. We'll take our new handle, and there's a keyhole slot in the insert there. Locate that over the screw, pull it up tight. And then we'll replace the 2 screws on top. And our repair is complete.